eating? Mommy's gonna make you a delicious ice cream.
Okay.
Milk. And some yogurt.
I want to drink that.
Oh, and some tomatoes.
Mommy, why are you putting tomato inside the ice cream?
Just wait and see. It's going to be awesome. I'll add one of your favorite food.
What is it? Jayo jayo?
How about I add some cheese too?
Oh no!
Mommy, you don't put cheese into an ice cream.
Just wait and see.
No!
Isn't that ketchup?
Just let me do the job, Seoeun. It's going to be delicious.
Bleh.
Why?
What is this? It tastes horrible.
Why?
What's the smell? Have you ever heard about the ice cream vending machine?
No, I haven't.
I did.
Really? An ice cream vending machine?
Yeah.
That sounds like fun. Let's go?
Yeah.
Wait for me. Seoeun, these are all ice cream. What color would you like? Pink? Okay, Mommy's gonna pick this one.
Oh, it's a full-shaped ice cream.
Look at this. There's an orange inside the ice cream. It's so cute.
It's a full-shaped ice cream.
It's so cute.
Wow.
Ta-da! There's a strawberry inside. Look. Delicious.
Mine is better.
Nope, mine is better.
Cat paw.
Goodbye.
It tastes